Human beings got evolved as part of nature. However, in this current scenario, we can see that except human beings, all the species and every nature part is all integrated together. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you two simple techniques called date and duty that can help you completely associate yourselves with nature. Before we move into this video, quickly like and subscribe for our channel so that you will be getting regular updates from us that will keep you motivated and inspired always in your life. Seeing the parts of nature being the sun, the moon, the clouds, the stars, the animals, the birds, the insects, and all of that belongs to nature. There is something which is common to everyone and they are still sticking to that, and because of which their life is smooth and fulfilling. So here in this video I'm going to be sharing the techniques that is actually followed by all things that is in nature except human beings, and whenever the human beings take even the attempts of fulfilling those techniques, their life becomes so happy and so successful. So are you ready to get immediately learn these two techniques called date and duty? The first technique is named as date because each and everything in nature live for that particular moment and for that particular day and live that date complete and ensure that they are not postponing anything to the future. So every day is lived as such. And now in this date technique, I'm going to be sharing with you how they actually live the day. So D stands for discipline. Everything in the nature has their discipline inside them. They don't keep postponing or they don't ensure that they're doing it later and something. Whatever is meant for their purpose, they completely do it to the fullest, and whether they like it or not, they just do it. That is called discipline. Moving to the next one called A. A stands for adjusting. Adjusting means irrespective of hurdles, they keep moving, they keep giving their fullest of why they are made for the nature. The best example for adjusting is river. Even if there is a big rock in between their way, they just find all the loops to ensure that they are crossing it and then getting into the ocean. So adjusting is a part of nature. And T stands for teamwork. Let us take the example of ants. Even if as they are moving in the team, they are ensuring that they are helping each other and also harnessing each other's strengths. At the same time, when you take the entire nature into account, the clouds, the sun, the animals, the plants, everything is interconnected and they beautifully harmonize as a complete team and keep moving in their life. The last one stands for E. E stands for energy. Each and everything in the nature has their own energy and keeps working towards their fullest, giving their total 100% energy to live their life. So this is about date, wherein each day when we are able to be disciplined, adjusting with teamwork and with complete energy, we will be living our life to the fullest. Now let us move to the next technique called duty. Each and every element of nature knows what its duty is and keeps fulfilling its duty to the fullest. Example, the sun knows that its duty is to rise in the morning and set in the evening. The mango tree knows that its duty is to give mango fruit to all people. Similarly, the cow knows that its duty is to give milk to people. So, everything in the nature knows its duty and keeps on doing its duty. Now, how do they do the duty? D in the duty stands for do not expect. Nobody expects anything and does anything. And U in the duty stands for unleashed. When they have made up their mind to do their duty, nothing can stop them. They are unrestricted. Nothing can stop the sun from rising. Nothing can stop the tree from growing. They are unleashed. And T in the duty stands for time management. They do it in the right time, in the right way, and in the right place. That is all about time management. And Y in the duty stands for they know the why, they know the purpose of why they have to do this, and they keep working towards it. So, date and duty are the lessons that we need to learn from nature when we start living our day to the complete and ensuring that we do our duty during that day. Our life is going to be definitely full of happiness and success. Here is my question to you. What is your lesson from nature and how do you ensure to take up date and duty in your life? Please post your answers in the comment box below, and also do not forget to like and subscribe our channel so that you get regular updates from us.
This is Dr. Purni, founder of Happiness and Success Academy, and I'm a happiness and success coach. So far, we have transformed the lives of at least 45,000 people through our training, coaching, mentoring, and counseling. And we are on a mission to ignite millions and millions of lives of people to ensure that they take their first step and move towards their life of happiness and success that they truly deserve.